Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about image fields. I'm going to show how those image fields are supported in coreBOS and the different options and functionality that we have added in the system. Basically around May, June 2015 and a little after some other enhancements that we made along the way, we give full support to the whole application for image fields. Okay. I'm going to have a look at and show how that works. Okay, image fields are not these nice little graphs we have here on screen. Those are another issue, which we'll explain in some other future videos. Okay, here I'm going to go and jump into the contacts module. The contacts module is one of the modules that we inherit from vTiger CRM that has images, and products is the other one. They have native support for images. This is still working. Obviously, we didn't break anything. This is a contact image field here. And there's one on the users also. Users are a special module anyway, so we can select an image here, and this one, for example, and just save, and that will upload. Okay, that's just normal. The new things that we added is that you can add this functionality to any module. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of just jump over here to assets, which is one of my favorite modules to test on. Basically, because it's a fairly small module but well related, and it's a nice and a standard. So okay, we have no image fields here. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna jump over here to the settings page, layout editor. And here we have this option here on the custom fields. And we can add, let's zoom this in here a little bit. Okay, here on the list of custom modules, we have the image field. Okay, so I can pick an image field. I can give it a label, image 1, save. Let's revert that back. And here I have my image field. Okay, so I'm going to jump back over to the assets module, opening that on a new tab, so we can quickly jump back to the layout editor if we need to. Okay, I'm going to open this first asset, and now we see we have this custom field here. Let's edit that. It doesn't have inline edit. Okay, and just as we just did with contacts, we can now do that with the custom modules, with the custom field on the asset module. Okay, so basically we can add any field, any custom image, and any custom image field to any module. We can add as many as we want to. Let's add another one here. Okay, so jump back over here. Let's edit this one again. Now I should have two. Okay, let's. This one has the April selected, and let's select April, May image also for this one. And there we go. Okay, so we can have as many fields as we need on any module. In general, this works everywhere. We could add custom fields to contacts. The existing field would just keep on working. We can do this with products also, which has the special carousel field. You could add fields there also. That's a recent kind of thing. Another very interesting thing is that we can come over here to the list view, and let's add an image filter, and let's see what happens with that. Images. I'm going to add the asset name, the serial number. Okay, and we have here our two image fields. So I'm going to select both of them and get rid of all the other ones. Okay, let's see what that has to do. And there we have it. Okay, so we have image support also on the list view. As you can see, it kind of makes them real small, so the list view doesn't break a lot, But as you can see, it's more than enough to have a good idea of what you have inside. Okay. Another thing that we can do with image fields is let's jump into this one, and I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to try to assign here. Obviously, you can delete them also. I'm going to try to add a document. It would be nice if we could find a. Let me see if I can have a PDF somewhere, easy to easy to see. Specifications. I wonder what that's about. Uh, okay, that one. Okay, I'm uploading not an image but a document, any document. Okay, so these fields have been enhanced to support that. Okay, and so I should. Oh, okay. Okay, my bad. I thought that was working. In fact, it did upload it. And if I go to the list view, it's there. So I probably lost something. There it is. Okay, so on the I can open this and it will open up the document. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'll have a look at see what's going on in the detail view. But as you can see, you can really it's not an image field anymore. It's really any kind of document field. You can just attach almost anything there, and it should just save it for you, and that's it. There's another feature there that I'm going to try to show. Let's see. See how I could do this one. I want to open up my image directory and let's get an image here. Let's get this guy over here. I'm going to open this one up with my editor. And okay, here I have the image. And I'm going to select a part of this image. Okay, not the whole image, just I'm going to select here the face. And I'm going to Control C that. Okay, edit and copy. That copy. Okay, so now I have that in the buff in the buffer. Okay, in the clipboard. Okay, so I'm going to edit this one again. And you see here we have this little clipboard box here. So if I click on that and I press paste, as you can see, it has been that image, that copy that I have has been put in there. Okay, and if I save now, I should get the specifications overwritten with this clipboard image that we have. So basically, we have a really nice way of just kind of copy pasting images right into any image field. Really nice functionality that makes it kind of really easy to just upload any image that you may have somewhere, and on a website or an email or wherever. You can just kind of just push them in and really work. Okay, so as you can see, the image field is really flexible in coreBOS. So flexible, really, that I'm going to do one last test here to show how nice this is. And I'm going to come over here to the inventory details module. And I added an image field here. Okay, if you're following the blog post, then you'll know that inventory details module creates a record for each line, product line in one of the modules, quotes and the like. Okay, it's a normal module, so we have workflows and all the bunch. You can read about it, and you can watch some other videos where I've also talked about this. I came here and I added an image field to the inventory details. What's the goal of this? Basically, what I want to try, or what I want to show, is that through the master detail business map, I can actually add this image into a quote or a purchase order and select the image that I want. Okay, so let's give that a try. I'm over here in the layout editor. I added, okay, this is the master detail layout record business mapping that I created. As you can see, I associated it with quotes, and I added the unit delivered and the coreBOS CF846, which is the inventory detail field. This one, okay, that I can see if I come over here to settings in the layout editor for inventory details, where I added this custom field. Here it is. This image one is here. If I click on its mapping, you see here that it shows me the name of the field. Okay, that CF846 is actually that number that I got from here. Okay, that's the business mapping. If you wanna copy it, if you need it, you can ask. I can copy that for you, or we can create it again. That's easy. Okay, so let's go over to the quotes and see how that looks. Okay, I already tested one right before the video just to make sure everything was more or less working correctly. I did fix a few warnings and the like, and so I do have an invoice here with that image already selected. And as you can see, it shows it right in line perfectly. I'm going to create a new one just so we can, see it live. Okay, let's do the test. Here quotes with image, select an organization, and we select an image. Select first select an image, and we save. Okay, kind of big and light, but works perfectly. Okay, so well, that's about all the magic you can do with images and image fields. UE type 69s, and well, I hope that helps you make more profit or more productive your coreBOS installation. Thanks for listening.